Today is September 13th, 2011. This is my attempted third flight on the Whopper Flopper Chopper on an E96 engine. Winds are very light. I have a good light. The line is clear. 3, 2, 1. Aero straight boost. Apogee, pop, open. And we've got 4 rotors. Absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. I'm going to try to zoom. And I'm going to back out. I'm looking straight up at it. And I've got a little bit of wind. I'm happy with my launch angle. Looking good. Going to go over a fence, but I think we're going to be able to see this. I'm going to run to catch the final drop. I'm not gonna hop over the fence. But there it is. I'm gonna attempt to zoom in. Hoping you can see it there. Down. Very nice.